we're heading down to the bad piece of road. We have a whole heap of tourists. And we're heading down the road now. Oh my God. Mr. MP, Mr. Government, Mr. TEF. Turn on the light.
Fix that road!
Fix that road! Fix that road! Fix that road!
Fix that road! Fix that road!
Alright, see, we're turning back now. This is the Villa Lacage Road, and the tourists are demanding that it be fixed because it's a road that they use. And the school kids use it too, alright? Come, Mr. Bike Man, mind you're drowning ahead. So tourists, what do you have to tell the government?
Fix that road! Fix that road! Fix that road! Fix that road!
Amen.